Hello my beauties, welcome back to my makeup channel, Makeupbyernn. Today is a different video. Today I just received my Ipsy bag. I just resubscribed to it and yeah, I'm gonna start getting them each month. So this will be a new bag. Well, it'll be a new bag each month, and then each month you'll see what I get in my bag. So I kind of cheated and I already looked because it's been a long time since I had one. I was so eager, so I just went ahead and opened it. But this is a really cute design. I love it. It's like they say you get 5 items, but you're really getting 6 because you're getting a bag. So I'm so excited to show y'all. Okay, so the first product that I got, well, the first item that I got out of the bag was an eyeshadow, and this is a Nomad Havana Cohiba. I don't know. On the back it says intense eyeshadow, smooth, rich, and super pigmented eyeshadow infused with papaya seed oil to help nourish skin and keep the color looking fresh and vibrant, free of parabens and mineral oils. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open it so that y'all can see how it looks. And so I can see how it looks because I didn't even look at the product. Let's see, this is what the packaging looks like. Pretty cool. I hope I can open it because my hands are slippery. I just put on my lotion because I didn't want to be ashy in front of y'all. Oh my god, I cannot open it. Okay. Ooh. So let's do the YouTube thing, the YouTube makeup. The YouTuber makeup thing. You know what I'm trying to say. So this is the color of the eyeshadow. And I'm going to do a swatch so we can all see how this looks. It's pretty. That's actually really pretty. I like that. I like that a lot. So that was the first product. And I actually really liked how it felt. It looked really pretty on my arm too. And I know it's going to look pretty on these eyelids too. The second one is by Trestique. And this is, what is this? A mini matte blur stick, blurring primer and shine eraser. Okay, that's pretty cool. So I guess you just, let me see. I can't feel nothing. Oh wow. You can see the difference. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch it right here. Oops. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera or not, but I can. That's pretty cool. It does erase. I wish y'all could see. Maybe y'all can, maybe y'all can't. If y'all do see it, please let me know in the comments because I'm not sure if y'all can see it. But it does leave like a finished, well, a matting look, like you're clear. That's what it looks like. Okay, and the next product that we got is Dr. Lipp Original Nipple Balm for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. So I'm guessing this is for your lips and your boobs. I hope. I really hope. I'm not sure. So, let's see. 100% natural, award-winning, multi-purpose balm, blah, 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 blah. So let's try it. Maybe next video I will use the products that I showed in my last video. And the products I got in this video. It feels good. I was worried and concerned that it was gonna be sticky, but it's not. Yes, I just smelled my upper lip. I was trying to see if if the product smelled good or not. But there's no smell to it. It's 100% natural, so I guess it's not gonna have a smell to it. But this is what it looks like. Okay, on to the next one. This is Akar Skin Nutrient Boost Eye Serum. So pretty much an eye serum, you just put it right here. I mean, if you put it somewhere else, then that's you too. That's you. But me, I put it right there. If I ever use an eye serum, oh my god, it's so small. Look at it, it's so small. But I bet you it goes a long ways. You just put it right there. If I got any. And it's dripping. Ah! Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. So, just rub it in. Just want to see how it feels, and it actually feels really good. Okay, so that was slightly out of control, and now you know, if you ever get that, don't put too much, or put it on your hands, because you know I was trying to be cool and it didn't work. So that is an eye serum, and again, that's Akar Skin Nutrient Boost Eye Serum. And I'll list everything in the description box, and I need to get a lot better at that, and that's what I'm doing. So y'all will get to see it in the description box. And last but not least, an eyeshadow brush. Well, let me take it out the package so y'all can see it a lot better. It's so pretty. It's blue and purple. And that's what I love about Ipsy. They give you brushes, and like, oh my god, I love it so much. It's really soft, and it's blue and purple, and it's pretty. Isn't it pretty? And look, it says eyeshadow brush on here. Lord, can y'all really see that? No, I don't even know why I'm trying. I'm trying because I care and because I love y'all. So yeah, I'm so happy. Those are my products, and then this is my bag, like y'all seen already. Oh yeah. So let me see. If you download the Ipsy app, then you know you can subscribe through there, and they ask you what products you want and what's your skin tone, what's your eye color, what's your hair color, because they send you everything. They send you stuff for skin and hair. I say it's worth it. I say subscribe to it. It's only $10 a month, and it's worth it. It's really worth it, and I really love it. And when you do get it, make sure you do the reviews at the end of the month. Well, not the end of the month, but when you get your bag, so that you can get points, and then you'll get an additional product that comes in the mail with your bag. Yeah, just make sure. Do it. Go get it. It's worth it. It's a treat. It's like a little gift for you every month. I'm so happy I got this bag back, y'all. I'm so happy because it's so cute and it's so fun. And then you have a makeup bag, so like you can change up your makeup bag whenever you want. They're small, but they work. Like if you needed it to put in your car, like you need one makeup bag for your car, one makeup bag at work, one makeup bag in your backpack if you go to school or something. You have multiple bags because you get them every month. So that's that. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This video was probably short too, but I mean who doesn't like a short video? Sometimes I like short videos, sometimes I like them long, but it just depends on the day. But I hope y'all enjoyed. Like I said before, make sure you like and subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe now. Subscribe, please. Like, I'm at 97 subscribers. I'm so close to 100 subscribers. Please get me there. I just need 3 more. Just 3 more. Love you guys, and I hope y'all have an amazing, blessed day. Peace.